In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to adjust Gucci dive watch strap. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the dive model or any other model of watch from Gucci, you will be able to easily adjust the strap. So I'm gonna give you basic to follow instructions on how to do this. Of course, this might differ if you have a very different model, but for the most part, it is going to be generally the same. So most straps will have holes or notches on the strap itself, as you can see in this example. To adjust, you simply need to move the buckle to a different hole or position along the strap. So all that you have to do is first make sure that you undo it. Once you have this undone and open, you will be able to put it into a different hole, so you will be able to adjust it according to your preferences. As long as this buckle is put into any of these holes, it is going to be adjusted accordingly. And depending on the actual size, you might want to consider cutting it. However, for the most part, all of these holes will give all users a comfortable position. You can also adjust this piece here by moving it up or down after you are done adjusting the actual buckle on the strap. So all that you have to do is undo the buckle and then put it through any of these holes available for adjustment. Once it is done, put it back together and you will be good to go. You can try various different positions, and like I said, this is going to work for basically every single strap, not only for Gucci, but other ones. You just have to make sure that you put the buckle in the correct hole according to how long or how short you want it to be. And after this is done, you can repeat the process as many times as you wish until you find a comfortable position. If you notice that your model is different, then sadly there might be an additional mechanism that you will have to look at, and I recommend consulting the manual if that's the case. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust Gucci dive watch strap. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.